Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can contact a seller on AliExpress. So first I'll go to aliexpress.com, and when you are here you need to make sure that you are logged into your account, otherwise you won't be able to contact any seller. Once you are logged in, go to any product that you want. For example, if I want hoodies, I like this hoodie. Once I clicked on it, when you scroll down you will see the name of the store, and here you will see a contact button. You need to click on this contact button and a new tab will open. Here a message center will open and you will be able to contact the seller. I can ask the size or any information regarding the product. For example, if I want to ask the size chart, once I hit enter, you can see that the message is unread. Once he has read the message, it will turn to read. I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And I will see you in the next one.